Do you always get confused between a and an? By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use each article like a native English speaker. Let's begin. Articles, a and the. Definition. Articles are small words placed before nouns. They help us know whether we are talking about something general or something specific. There are 3 articles in English. A and the. Articles are of 2 types. Indefinite articles, a, indefinite article, the. 1. Indefinite articles, a and n. We use a and n before singular countable nouns when we are talking about something for the first time or something that is not specific. Use of a. Use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. Examples. I have a book. She bought a car. He is a teacher. This is a dog. We saw a mountain. More examples. A pen, a house, a university, a European country, a one-eyed man. Note, we look at the sound, not just the first letter. University begins with the sound U, so we use a university. 2. Use of an. Use in before words that begin with a vowel sound. Examples. She ate an apple. He has an umbrella. It is an orange. I saw an elephant. She is an engineer. More examples. An hour, an honest man, an MLA, an MBA. Note, hour starts with the consonant letter H, but the H is silent, so the word begins with the vowel sound hour. Therefore, we say an hour. Difference between a and an. A boy, an apple, a cat, an elephant, a university, an umbrella, a European, an hour. 3. Definite article, the. Use the when we are talking about a specific person, place, thing, or something already known. Examples. The sun rises in the east. The moon looks beautiful. Please close the door. The book on the table is mine. The teacher is absent today. Uses of the. 1. Before unique things. The sun, the moon, the earth, the Taj Mahal. Examples. The earth moves around the sun. The moon shines at night. 2. Before rivers, seas, oceans, deserts, and mountain ranges. The Indus River, the Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Sahara Desert, the Himalayas. Examples. The Indus River flows through Pakistan. The Himalayas are very high. 3. Before superlative adjectives. The best student, the tallest building, the fastest runner. Examples. Ali is the best player. This is the tallest tree. 4. Before ordinal numbers. The first day, the second chapter, the last question. Examples. Today is the first day of school. 5. Before newspapers and famous buildings. The New York Times, the White House, the Eiffel Tower. When no article is used. Do not use articles before. Names of people. Ali, Sarah. Names of countries, mostly. Pakistan, China, India. Languages. English, Urdu, Arabic. Subjects. Mathematics, biology, physics. Meals. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Examples. Ali speaks English. I study biology. We had breakfast. Common mistakes. Incorrect, an university. Correct, a university. Incorrect, a apple. Correct, an apple. Incorrect, the Pakistan is beautiful. Correct, Pakistan is beautiful. Incorrect, he is engineer. Correct, he is an engineer. Examples. I bought a pen. She has an umbrella. The pen is on the table. He is a doctor. She is an honest woman. The earth is round. I saw an owl. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. 1. I have a cat. 2. She is an engineer. 3. The sun is very hot. 4. He bought an umbrella. 5. This is the biggest building in the city. 9. He waited 4 hours. 10. I read an interesting story yesterday. Exercise 2. Choose the correct option. 1. He is an honest man. 2. I have an bicycle. 3. The earth moves around the sun. 4. She bought an orange. 5. We visited the museum yesterday. Speaking practice. Read these sentences aloud. I have a pen. She has an apple. The book is on the table. He is an engineer. The sun rises in the east. Lesson summary. Articles are of 2 types. Indefinite articles, an. Definite article, the. Use, a before consonant sounds. Use and before vowel sounds. Use, the for specific or unique nouns. Excellent. Now you know how to use a, and the correctly. Practice these exercises and make your own sentences.